from Myfirstwig, and I absolutely love this Yaki texture unit. I love the new drawstring that, as you guys can see, can y'all see? I always just make sure my scrap is really tight. I'm gonna pull the unit back. So for a natural look, I'm gonna take the comb and put the combs on the ends. So, and just adjust the unit a little bit more to my hairline. Okay guys, so here is the finished look of my unit. I didn't do any baby edges, but I did do a little sideburn action. I always do that. So I really like the way it looks. You can style this unit in so many different ways.